So this is what the hype is about. Whoa. Today we're going to be trying out the new trend, which is magnetic lashes. So the package came a couple days ago and I want to check it out. I'm really curious to see like what the hype is about, if it's worth it. I've never used magnetic lashes before, so I'm really excited that I get to use them for the first time with you guys on my channel. We're going to open this. So it looks like there are 3 items in here. So the first item looks like the Silly George Lid and Lash Cleanser. Really cute, simple, girly packaging. There's also magnetic eyeliner. So it does state that it is waterproof. And then the last item is the Girl Overboard magnetic eyelashes. Ooh, and this is what they look like. This is the more dramatic style that they carry. So of course I wanted to do that one. Oh, this is so cool. So look, goes right back. Ooh, it just clicks right back. That's so cool. Whoa. So this is what the hype is about. I'm gonna put on a little mascara because I don't have on any mascara right now. So it does come with instructions on what to do. It does say after cleansing your eyelid of any oils, apply 2 to 3 layers of Silly George magnetic eyeliner and let dry for 1 minute. Line up the lash along the lash line, and when happy with the placement, allow the magnets to drop onto the liner. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I do want to make sure they fit. Yeah, and it looks like they fit pretty good, so I'm not gonna have to like cut them or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this liner. Looks like just regular eyeliner. Like you would never be able to tell what this really is. I am so excited. Like this is a thing. This might be a thing. So now it's time to put the lash on. You can see the little magnets on here too, so that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. And just like that, it's on. Wow, they're really on. You guys, like, this is so revolutionary. I feel like there is absolutely no excuses as to why you would not be able to apply false lashes at this point. Like literally all you're doing is just applying the liner and you're sticking the lashes on and the work is done. It's connecting for you. It is amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. So some FAQs that you guys might have about the lashes. They are synthetic. They are adjustable, so you can clip them depending on your eye shape. I did show you guys like the little magnets on the band, so they do have the ability to be clipped. So Silly George is currently having a sale on their website. So the lashes themselves are normally $29.99. The lid and lash cleanser is normally $9.99, and the magnetic eyeliner is $39.99. So if you purchase each of these items individually, it will come to 80 bucks. However, they have a lash and liner starter kit, which is normally $59.99, but it's currently on sale for $44.99. So everything that you saw in the video today, instead of purchasing them individually and spending $80, just get the kit and only pay $45 because it's on sale right now. So the Girl Overboard style that I'm currently wearing today, that is their highest volume lash that they carry at this time. But if those are just a little bit too much for you and you prefer something a little bit more subtle, they do have Girl Friday, which is medium volume, and then they also have Girl Next Door, which is more natural looking. So there's different styles. So what I really like about this is that unlike traditional eyelash application with the glue, my lashes tend to feel heavier, but what I love about the magnetic lashes is that It's so lightweight. It really feels like I don't have anything on my lids, which is really, really nice. These are wind resistant. The lashes are made out of synthetic silk. They're great for the environment. They are vegan and cruelty free. They're low allergenic, latex free, and then they also are toxin free. So they are $29.99 a piece, but you're gonna get at least 30 wears out of them. So I mean, if you do the math on that, you're pretty much paying $1 per lash, which is a steal. And I cannot get over this eyeliner. This eyeliner is so smooth. It reminds me of my NYC liquid liner that I love so much that they don't sell anymore in stores, and so I love it for that reason. I just can't get past how easy this was. Like, I'm really mind blown. So I will definitely be buying more of these. I will be gifting these. They are so worth it. Like, if you struggle with putting on false lashes, I wholeheartedly support you doing the magnetic lashes because it's so beginner friendly. But those are my thoughts. I really love this and I highly recommend it. So go ahead and shop for some and get the set. I will leave the Silly George website link down below in the description box if you want to shop some of these lashes for yourself and give it a try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this magnetic lash review and demo and try on, and thank you so much to Silly George for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!